Yes, dear student, good morning to all. We have completed chapter number second, all the topics, and some of the topics may be remaining that, but it is the detective topics which are reduced by the CBSE. CBSE ने कुछ टॉपिक को रिड्यूस कर दिया है, उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड होगा. चलिए मैं बात करता हूँ एनसीईआरटी की सॉल्यूशन एक्सरसाइज पर. ये 2.1 का मतलब है कि चैप्टर तो 2 है और क्वेश्चन 1 है. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन 1 है तो इसलिए 2.1 लिखा जाता है. इस 2.1 का पहला क्वेश्चन है वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए क्यूब ऑफ 1 सेंटीमीटर 1 सेंटीमीटर साइड, मतलब जिस वॉल्यूम की साइड 1 सेंटीमीटर है उसका, जिस क्यूब की साइड 1 सेंटीमीटर है उसका वॉल्यूम पता कीजिए, लेकिन मीटर, और मीटर में भी क्या आएगा, क्यूब आएगा, क्योंकि वॉल्यूम है. ठीक है, तो इस तरह के बेसिक है, ज़्यादा नहीं है. देखिए कैसे सॉल्यूशन की बात कर लेता हूँ मैं, इसे सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, देखिए कैसे होगा सॉल्यूशन में. पहले वाले का सॉल्यूशन देखो, क्यूब बना लिया, ये क्यूब बना दिया, ये सब क्यूब बना लिया. इसकी साइड 1 सेंटीमीटर, ये 1 सेंटीमीटर और ये 1 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, इन सबको मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लो पहले. तो ये आएगा 1 इंटू 10⁻², माइनस का ये भी आएगा 1 इंटू 10⁻², ये भी आएगा 1 इंटू 10⁻², मीटर और ये मीटर. तो हमने क्या किया, इस क्यूब की हर डायरेक्शन को मीटर में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. अब इसका वॉल्यूम निकालो. तो वॉल्यूम क्या होता है बेटा, L इंटू बी इंटू एच इक्वल टू, L कितना है 1 इंटू 10⁻² इंटू बी कितना है 1 इंटू 10⁻² इंटू एच कितना है 1 इंटू 10⁻². ठीक है, सबको सॉल्व कर लीजिए. क्लियर, that is it may be 1 2 and 1, that is 1 into 10⁻⁻6 meter. So the first question, first option, volume of a cube of side 1 centimeter is in the term of meter, then it will be 1 into 10⁻⁻6 meter cube. Clear? So this is the first solution, yani first option of the first question. Now term of second option means this one. It is saying that surface area of a cylinder of radius 2 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Yes. Now this is the cylinder. Clear? This is the cylinder. Height h equal to 10 and radius r equal to 2 and all are in centimeter. So r equal to 2 into 10⁻⁻² meter. Centimeter convert into meter, and height h equal to 10 into 10⁻⁻². It is also now meter. Clear? I have convert them in meter. Now this is the first area, this one. This is the second area, A2. This is A1, and this is the third area, A3. Total area A equal to A1 first surface plus A2 bottom surface plus A3 this surface, whole surface. Clear? Means suppose this is the cylinder, top surface, bottom surface and this whole surface. Clear? So bottom surface pi r square, area of this cross section pi r square plus area of it too also pi r square, bottom surface plus area of ball, that is 2 pi r h this is the area of whole cylinder. It is the area of whole cylinder. पूरे सिलेंडर का एरिया है, ठीक है. Now substitute all the values. Means pi and pi. Sorry, pi and pi. That is 2 pi r square. Pi square pi r square 2 pi r square. Clear? 2 into pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Now take common 2 pi r. Remaining here r plus h. This is the total area. Now you can substitute the values, and these values are 2 into pi beta 3.14 into r. R 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 into r 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 plus 10 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. So this power minus 2 common. 2 plus 10 12. Now solve it. So you can solve it by self. It is meter square. So this is the basic calculation only. This is the basic calculation only. Now I would like to share the next and the third of this portion. So third option, yes. First we have done here. Second we have done also here. And the third. 18 kilometer per hour convert into meter per second. So what have to do? Suppose 1 kilometer per hour convert into meter per second means 1 kilometer convert into meter, 1 into 1000. Clear? 1 kilometer into 1000, that is meter, upon hour. 60 into 60 second. This is meter per second. Clear? 0 0 0 0. This is 10. This is 36. Solve it again. 10 over 36 equal to 5 over 18 meter per second. It is the smallest calculation. 5 upon 18 not divisible. Clear? So if we have the 1 kilometer per hour, when we are need to convert it in meter per second, then multiply by 5 upon 18 means 1 kilometer hour equal to 5 upon 18, then 18 kilometer per hour equal to 18 into 5 upon 18. डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई बाई द फैक्टर, क्योंकि यूनिट के लिए डिटरमाइन कर लिया तो अब जितने का उससे मल्टीप्लाई सीधा 18 over 18, that is 5 meter per second. It is the answer. Clear? It is the basic answer. चलो next one. So we have completed the third also. Now it is the turn of fourth row. So I would like to just rough this portion. This is not usable now. Here till here. Okay, till here. Now for the relative velocity, there is one formula. Fourth portion, relative density. Always we can consider the standard value of density for the water and the other material compare with the water density. Means मतलब हम सबसे पहले स्टैंडर्ड डेंसिटी मानते हैं पानी की, अब उसके बाद में अदर मटेरियल की डेंसिटी हमें अगर कंसीडर करनी पड़े या कैलकुलेट करनी पड़े तो वाटर की डेंसिटी के साथ उसे कंपेयर करते हैं. For example, density of milk, density of oil, density of petrol, density of kerosene, density of diesel. बट इन सब की डेंसिटी कम या ज़्यादा होती है, वो कंपैरिजन करते हैं वाटर से. सो द डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर इज स्टैंडर्ड. क्लियर? स्टैंडर्ड के कंपैरिजन में जिसकी भी डेंसिटी निकालनी होती है उसे कंपेयर करते हैं। तो क्या लिखेंगे, रिलेटिव उसी को कहते हैं। डेंसिटी ऑफ सब्सटेंस या कोई भी फ्लूइड है डिवाइड बाई डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर, पानी के साथ में, ठीक है। Now it is asking for the density of, what is that, the relative density of water has given its density in, okay, so density of fluid ये चाहिए अपन को। तो density of fluid, any fluid equal to relative density into density of water, density of water, that is ये फाइंड करना है, इक्वल टू रिलेटिव एंड 13 पॉइंट, इट हैज गिवन आई थिंक 13.3, सॉरी 11.3 नॉट 13, 11.3 into density of water, 1000 is the density of water per kg per meter cube। तो ये बन गया बेटा 11.3 इंटू 10⁻³ kg पर मीटर क्यूब, क्लियर। और 11.3 इंटू 1 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, दैट इज 11.3, इट इज द ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब। दिस इज द relative velocity। So these are 4 options of the first question in chapter number 2, clear। So we have completed these questions and you can repeat the video if you have any doubt or problem in the solution। Now I would like to explain about the second question which is same related as this, बिल्कुल सेम इन्हीं की तरह से है। So we will just explain about it, okay। Now I want to start it again। Yes, so this is the question number 2, these are the options of question number 2। Now I would like to solve it। Solution, question 2, first part, 1 kg meter square second minus 2 convert into gram centimeter square second minus 2 means, yes, what upon and 1 kg meter square second minus 2 convert into CGS unit। So write it here, 1 kg meter square second minus 2 equal to 1 kg convert into gram, 1 into multiply by 1000, kg convert into gram, 1 meter square, meter convert into centimeter, 1 into 10 to the power convert into centimeter power 2 into 1 into 10 to the power 2 meter square, meter and second minus 2 remains same, this is meter square, sorry this is second square, sorry this is centimeter square into second remains same, then it will be 1 to 4 5 6 7, 1 into 10 to the power 7 gram centimeter square second minus 2, this is the answer of first 10 to the power 7। So what have to do, kg convert into gram, meter convert into centimeter and second remain second, clear। So it is the CGS unit of the first previous unit, यानी जो पहले यूनिट दे रखा है उसका CGS यूनिट है, ठीक है। अब भी देखिए सेकंड ऑप्शन करने जा रहा हूँ, सेकंड बी पार्ट, इट इज ए, नाउ टर्न ऑफ बी पार्ट। 1 meter equal to light year. How much will be the light year? 1 light year, we know standard value. 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 11 meter. I think it is the exact 9.46 into 10 to the power 11 नहीं बेटा 15 होता है, sorry 15 meter. 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Then how much light year in 1 meter? Then equal to 1 meter equal to 1 upon 9.46 into 10 to the power 15. This is the 1 meter. So solve it. Or 1 meter equal to 1 upon 9.46 into 10 to the power minus 15. Clear? This is the light year. Light year. Clear? Yes. So these are the two options. Now the turn of third option. C part. 3 meter per second square convert into kilometer per hour square. 3 meter per second square convert into how many questions? What is that? 3 meter per second square convert into hour. What second? Yes, hour. 3 meter per second square या second minus 2 equal to dot 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 kilometer per hour square. So 3 equal to 3 meter convert into kilometer, 10 to the power minus 3. 3 meter convert into kilometer into hour. 1 upon 60 into 1 upon 60 and its whole square. So solve it. 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 1 upon 366 36. Sorry, 36 0 0 of its whole square. Now you have to solve it, and I would like to share this constant value, and it is of minus 2 and power 5 or minus 2 kg minus 2, this is minus 2, so it will be 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 36,000 power plus 2. Now solve it. अब सॉल्व कर सकते हैं आप इसे 36 into 36 यानी 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 3600 into 3600. Now solve it, and it's a direct value. I would like to put 3.9 10 to the power 4. It is of 3.9 into 10 to the power 4 kilometer per hour square. Clear? So it is the constant value. Now D portion, yes. D portion meaning last one, G का value. The value of gravitational constant convert into this SI unit. So how it will be? I would like to write it here, and G equal to 6.6 into 10 to the power, sorry, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. ये convert into centimeter cube. Solve it. Equal to 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 11 as it is value. न्यूटन होता है बेटा kg meter second minus 2. This is the unit of that only, Newton into meter square in upon kg minus 2. ये पावर नीचे से ऊपर जाएगी kg minus 2. तो देखो एक और सॉल्व कर देता हूँ थोड़ा सा और. इक्वल टू kg 1 पावर पॉजिटिव 1 नेगेटिव, तो 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 kg power -1, -2 and -1, -2 मीटर और मीटर स्क्वायर यानी मीटर क्यूब सेकंड स्क्वायर और सेकंड इज नॉट हियर, सो सेकंड -2. नाउ हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन सेकंड स्क्वायर g -2 k g -1 g -1 बिल्कुल सही, और इक्वल टू 6.67 into 10⁻⁻11 मीटर क्यूब ओवर kg second -2. Now put the values, that is 6.67 into 10⁻⁻11 into meter converted to centimeter means 10⁻+2 into square or single value 3 times 10⁻³ into 10⁻². Sorry, not 3, means मीटर कन्वर्ट इनटू सेंटीमीटर 10⁻² होता है इनटू 10⁻² इनटू 10⁻² बिकॉज 3 पावर इज देयर डिवाइड बाय kg कन्वर्ट इनटू ग्राम, kg convert into gram, then divide by 1000 gram, and second remains second square as it is upon second square. So solve it and then you will get the value. How much power change? 2 to the 4, 6 power and 3 power less from here, so 3 power yani 1 2 3 power, and these are cancelled or remaining power will be 3 plus, means 6.67 into 10⁻⁻8. I think it must be the answer. Yes, cm square unit remaining cm cube gram -1 second -2. This is the answer of fourth one. So we have completed 2 questions in this video. Okay, and next we will complete in next video. I think you have write it so, and you can take the proper or yes. This is the last solution, so you can observe and take screenshot. So I would like to close it. Thank you.